This is the WORKPRO garden tool bag organizer, and it's a good size bag. And it has the padded handle there, as well as a padded shoulder strap. And it has this wire frame that you can push down into the bag, and it gives it a nice sturdy frame so it'll stand upright. And it has a nice wide mouth, and it's a very nice material, and it's nice and sturdy once the frame is down. It has a couple of pockets on the sides, as well as some elastic straps on the longer sides, and then a large capacity in the middle. And then several pockets on the outside as well, so there's plenty of storage space. And it has a waterproof plastic base with these nice feet on it, which help protect it from damage. It's nice quality and more than enough space to carry all my garden tools. It's a very nice bag.